35th GST Council Meeting, Key Highlights. The 35th GST Council Meeting convened on 21st June 2019 was marked by significant decisions, ushering in pivotal changes in the GST landscape under the leadership of Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Here is a comprehensive overview of the crucial discussions and resolutions. Extension of due dates for filing GST returns. In a move aimed at providing taxpayers with ample time and reducing compliance pressures, the due date for filing GST annual returns and reconciliation statements for the fiscal year 2017 to 2018 has been extended across the board till 31st August 2019. Extension of declaration in Form GST ITC 04. To facilitate businesses and industries, the due date for furnishing the declaration in Form GST ITC 04 pertaining to job work, spanning from July 2017 to June 2019, has been extended till 31st August 2019. Amendment on blocking of e-way bills. The implementation of Rule 138E dealing with the blocking of e-way bills due to non-filing of returns for 2 consecutive tax periods will now be effective from 21st August 2019 instead of the earlier notified date of 21st June 2019. Composition Scheme for Service Providers. The deadline for filing an intimation in Form GST CMP 02 to avail the option of paying tax under Notification No. to 2019 Central Tax Rate dated 7th March 2019 has been extended to 31st July 2019. This scheme is tailored for service providers who aren't eligible for the regular composition option, enabling them to pay tax at a reduced rate of 6%. Extension of tenure for National Anti-Profiteering Authority. The National Anti-Profiteering Authority, tasked with ensuring benefits of tax cuts reach consumers, has had its tenure extended by an additional 2 years. Introduction of e-invoicing system. A groundbreaking decision was taken to introduce an electronic invoicing system for B2B transactions. This technology will streamline tax-related processes, automate relevant procedures, and bolster efforts to combat tax evasion. Phase 1 of the rollout, starting from January 2020, will be voluntary. State and area benches for GST Appellate Tribunal. Decisions were made regarding the establishment of state and area benches for the Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal (GSTAT) in various states and union territories with legislative assemblies. Notably, a unified state bench will serve Sikkim, Nagaland, Manipur, and Arunachal Pradesh. Rate of tax electric vehicles concession. The Council proposed a GST concession entailing a reduced tax rate for electric vehicles, chargers, and hiring of electric vehicles. This proposal has been forwarded to the Fitment Committee for detailed examination. Rate of tax lottery. After careful deliberation, the Council recommended that certain aspects of lottery taxation, including rates and destination principles, necessitate a legal opinion from the learned Attorney General. Aadhaar linkage for GST registration. The Council introduced a new procedure mandating the linkage of Aadhaar while granting registration under GST. This move aims to simplify the registration process by authenticating taxpayers through Aadhaar OTP, streamlining the overall process. New return filing system effective from 1st January 2020. A phased implementation of a new return filing system is set to revolutionize GST filing. The government has proposed Sahaj and Sugam forms for GST filing, with full implementation slated for 1st January 2020. Amendments in GST laws. Certain amendments are in the pipeline to effectuate decisions taken in earlier GST Council meetings with a view to enhancing compliance and streamlining processes. Introduction of 10% penalty for profiteering offences. In a bid to curb profiteering activities by businesses, the department has introduced an additional penalty of up to 10% of the profiteered amount should businesses fail to pay the fine within 30 days. This move seeks to ensure that the benefits of tax cuts are duly passed on to consumers. In conclusion, the 35th GST Council meeting witnessed a series of pivotal decisions, which collectively represent a significant stride towards refining and fortifying the GST framework in India.